Our customers make the products that the world relies on. Planes, trains, automobiles, the pen in your hand. Now, PTC makes the software that's used to design, make, and maintain all of those products. We'd gone from everybody in the office to everybody working from home. And our legacy security infrastructure was still built around the idea that everybody's in the building in this new modern world. So many of our employees weren't coming near that intranet. They're doing business with SaaS providers, they're working in the cloud, so we needed to protect them where they were. VPN says, hey, you're in a trusted zone, you have access to what you need access to. That's not fine-grained enough for some of the threats that we face now, so we've really got to get closer to the apps, closer to our devices, closer to the identities, so that we're doing more at those levels and really having a policy-based approach. We see Zero Trust as a really good set of guiding principles for how we can approach our safety. Phase one of our Zero Trust journey was really starting with the Zscaler Internet Access product, and to really start with the protection of our at-home employees. We ended up putting in ZDX next, so we could really take advantage of what that agent running on every device, along with the network connectivity, so we could really watch hop to hop where the network problems were coming up. But we were really happy we were able to turn off that legacy VPN infrastructure entirely. Now it's gone, and every single thing within our internet is now accessible only with ZPA, which is a huge win from a protection point of view. One of the things that happens when you get Zscaler in place, both ZIA and ZPA in our case, is that you really reduce the attack surface. Like, what are the things that are accessible to bad actors out in the larger world that they can even see? And we see that, quantitatively in the number of infected computers going down. We're starting to move to a cafe model across our entire network, meaning we're kicking all the users off our internal network. So the only way they can get on is with ZPA. That is a huge foundational switch for us. And it does mean that we're going to be able to go to our branches and start to turn off aging equipment that we are about to spend a ton of CapEx on to replace. So from an immediate benefit perspective, what I can tell you is we finally had that sense of comfort in terms of our employees working from anywhere, getting access to our cloud services, getting access to our internal resources, of having all of those threats blocked no matter where they were. Why Zscaler? I would say it is a set of products that truly make Zero Trust something that you can rely on to keep your company safe from harm. That's the core, that's what we buy from them.